To Impact News, Justin. This is JOYSHREE USHAM. To address the current political turmoil within Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc), the party has convened a high-level confidential closed-door meeting today. Only distinguished party members like Mpcc former presidents, former MLAs and present MLAs of the party are taking part in the confidential meeting, which is going on right now at the Congress Bhavan in Imphal, even as we give you this news report. The party has not disclosed anything to media on the meeting's agenda. It is speculated that the meeting must be addressing current turmoil of the party following the recent resignation of its former president, Govindas Konthojam, who has already joined the BJP in a formal event recently held in BJP national headquarters in the national capital. Congress Legislature Party leader Okram Ibobi, newly appointed interim president of Mpcc, and Loken, Congress Working Committee member Gaikangam, former party president T.N. Haukip, along with Congress MLAs T.H. Lokeshwar, A.K. Mirabai, K. Megachandra, Chaltolian Amo, former MLAs Prithviraj, Hemochandra, Dwijamani and S. Joy were seen arriving at the Congress Bhavan early this morning to attend the meeting. It is worth mentioning that Mpcc interim president and Loken had earlier claimed that the Congress party is still standing strong and tall and tough post Govindas' resignation from the party. He had also clarified that the remaining state Congress leaders are in no way joining the BJP or any other political parties.
Mpcc is holding a high-level closed-door meeting at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The meeting, which began early this morning, came in the wake of recent resignation of the ex-president of Mpcc and long-time Congress MLA of Visnupur constituency, Govindas Konthojam, who has joined the BJP recently. Ex-Chief Minister of Manipur and Congress Legislature Party leader Okram Ibobi failed to give any response to Impact News when asked about the agenda of the meeting. Speculations are going round that the closed-door political meeting is being convened to discuss the current crisis within the party, as the State Assembly general election is just around the corner, and also to discuss on the Mpcc's loss of some its eminent members who have now joined the party's strongest opponent, the BJP. Impact News will bring you more updates. For now, this is Jotin Kundrakpam with video journalist Namanapam Bisorjit, Impact News, Congress Bhavan.
That was a reporter Jotin Kundrakpam with video journalist Namanapam Bisorjit. We will bring you more latest news and events on Impact News, Justin. For now, this is JOYSHREE USHAM signing off. Keep watching Impact News.